Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Valentine's week is starting from tomorrow. So I thought of making some Valentine's themed decoration tutorials for you guys. So tomorrow is Rose Day and we'll be making a red rose today. This is made using gum paste. So let's get started. First we'll be rolling red gum paste and roll it really thin, as thin as possible. Especially the edges should be very thin. I have a styrofoam bud which will be the base of my rose. Now the first cutter that we use has to be approximately the same size of the bud. Using the teardrop cutter, cut the buds. Place the petals on the foam board and using a ball tool, just thin the edges of the petals. Now I have used a veiner to give these petals a realistic look. This step is optional, you can just skip it if you don't have a veiner. Once the petal is veined and it's looking realistic, now I can give it a shape of the petal using a spoon. Repeat this process for all the petals. Now we'll arrange the first petal on the styrofoam bud. To do this, first we'll apply water on the whole petal and then arrange it in such a way that it is closed at the top. Make sure that your petals are completely dried before starting the step. For the rest of the petals, apply water on the bottom V part of the petal and arrange it again very closed. In the beginning, the more closed that your rose petals are, the more realistic your rose will look. Once the first size of petals are all arranged in the bud, it will start looking like a perfect rose bud. Now we'll use the next size of teardrop petal, and the process will remain the same. First we'll cut the petals, then we'll thin the edges using the ball tool, then we'll vein it in the veiner and then shape it in the spoon. Once these petals are dry, we'll arrange them again, but this time it will be a little open than the last set of petals. I'm shaping the top of the petals using a skewer to give it a little open look. Repeat the same process using the third size of the teardrop cutter. As the rose is getting bigger, even our petal sizes are getting bigger, and the rose becomes an open bloomed rose. Finally, shape the top of the petals using your hands or skewers, and that's it. Subscribe to our channel for more fondant tutorials and recipes.